Hey guys, King Stallion here, and today, I dug a hole, and I'm now building a room under the house, and I'm gonna make a doghouse out of this, so, let's get on to this. So, yeah, I got lots of dirt and from this, and I made lots of torches. I dug into like a cavern or a big hole in the ground right here, so this can be like, they can like wander around here, or they can like go into different rooms or something. And yeah, see, the wood is already from the floor up there, so yeah, they're gonna hear lots of steps when, but anyway, let's see here. Now, yeah, I should know. Oops, is it still going? Yes, it is. Let's see. Let's see here. Yeah, this is going, good so far. Let's see. Okay, so, okay, there we go. I think it's almost done. This part of the room, of course. 9 pieces of wood left. Classic. There we go. This can be the hard room, so like, if they're getting too hot, they can just cool off in this room. And get their paws cold. Okay. So, okay. Okay, there we go. I will end this video here. Please subscribe if you like this video, and goodbye.